kids! Let's learn vegetables with Bright Star Education. Are you ready?
Fennel, smells like sweet candy.
Okra, slimy and yummy.
Radicchio, purple and leafy.
Parsnip, like a white carrot.
Squash, bright yellow squash.
Pumpkin, big orange pumpkin.
Zucchini, long and yummy. Bok choy, yummy Chinese cabbage.
Yam! Energy-giving yam! Lettuce, fresh and crunchy!
Endive, small and crunchy. Bamboo shoot, fresh and crunchy.
Asparagus, long green stalks. Swiss chard, look at the rainbow stems.
Radish, pink and crunchy.
Broccoli, a healthy green tree.
Cucumber, cool and green!
Cucumber, cool and green.
Potato! Yummy potato! Yummy potato! Potato tail! Ah!
Eggplant, pretty purple eggplant! Celery, crunchy! Peas, tiny green peas.
Cabbage, leafy green cabbage. Cabbage, leafy green cabbage. Cabbage, leafy green cabbage.
Mushroom, cute little mushroom.
Leek, tall and green! Kale, super healthy kale.
Rhubarb, long and red.
Rhubarb!
Brussels sprout, tiny green cabbages.
Bell pepper, sweet and crunchy.
Carrots, crunchy and orange. Tomato, round and red.
Green bean, snap and eat.
Watercress, healthy water leaves.
Onion, round pink onion. Onion. Artichoke, petals like a flower. Cauliflower, white and healthy.
Corn, sweet yellow corn. Look at my sweet yellow kernels. Yummy, yummy corn.
Beetroot, deep red beetroot. Beetroot, deep red beetroot.
Spinach, eat your leafy greens.
Kohlrabi, brown funny. Garlic, smells so good. Great job, kids! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.